Hello and welcome to Council of Nerds. So today we are going to play a football lineup quiz. So in this quiz, basically we will see a lineup where the player's club is given and we have to guess which Euro nation this is. So let's see how much we can score, and you are also obviously welcome to play along with us. So let us know in the comments that how much do you get. And so with that being said, let's start the quiz. So first let's discuss and then we will guess which country this is. I have pretty much
I am also getting probably Italy, I guess.
Yes, it is Italy. Yeah. Because I'll tell you what, in the left wing, I think it is
Emerson.
Not Emerson. I think it is Federico Bernardeschi, and in defense, I think it's Bonucci and Giorgio Chiellini. That's the Juventus center back.
I was talking about the left back.
Left back also got me off guard. Who is that?
Emerson.
Yeah, in the midfield there is Jorginho as well.
Yeah, midfield Jorginho.
And I think for this one it is pretty much everyone is telling Italy. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Immobile was.
I told you it's Nicolo Barella. Yes.
Immobile.
There are two Immobiles. That might be something incorrect.
No. The Fiorentina man is, I think, Federico Chiesa from Fiorentina.
Chiesa.
Yes, I buy him in FIFA 18. I think he's very cheap.
So pretty much everything is correct because except that Fiorentina.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is a mixed bag.
This one is tough.
Wow. Oh my god.
This one is
okay.
tough.
West Ham goalkeeper, is it Joe Hart?
No.
Joe Hart is English.
Wait. West Ham current goalkeeper.
Oh, I think this is Polish.
For Lewandowski.
Yeah. That's the. Because who will be the Germany? Oh, maybe Timo Werner, but that is Germany then.
No. From Napoli, who could be?
If we follow the Polish thing, then who are other we know from Poland?
AS Monaco defender. Who is that?
I think Kamil Glik.
Yeah.
He was there when they won the Liga, and I think 2 years back in 2016 or 17 with Mbappe.
Southampton defender.
I just want to say that for the audience and you guys that these lineups were made in January, so keep that in mind because before the transfer window, most probably before the January transfer window also.
I don't know absolutely any player from Hull City.
Yeah, I was going to say that. No idea about Hull City and Derby.
Okay, we are doing very well on this one. We have to guess some country.
Yeah.
I don't know. For Bayern Munich, we can go for Poland.
Yeah, absolutely.
Again, I think we are going together. Okay, for this one, I am also going with Poland because I have absolutely no idea about the goal. I think I should have known the goalkeeper, but let's see.
Yeah, I forgot the name.
Oh, wait a second. Is it Fabianski?
Fabianski, no. Maybe.
But is he Polish? I'm not sure.
Fabianski does not sound Polish anyway. Let's see. It is Poland.
Yeah, it was
wow,
Fabianski.
I should get all the points this time. I told Glick, I said Fabianski as well. Come on. I should get the points this one.
Absolutely no idea about Rosicki.
I should have gotten the Zielinski one. Oh, the Napoli one, Zielinski. I knew that.
Okay, so let's start with the next one.
3-4-3. I think there is a player less.
No, I can't see the one under our faces. Who is that?
Move that one. No, you can.
Oh, I can. Oh, it's Augsburg.
Okay, Arsenal midfield.
Benfica striker.
I'll go for Switzerland.
I also go for Switzerland. I was saying that.
Come on! I told you.
It is Switzerland. Yeah. Okay. So.
Embolo.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Germany.
Oh,
Germany. Come on.
I have said first.
Why? You are sharing it. I don't know. You can you may see it on the
no,
previous.
name a few players. Come on, name a few players.
Timo Werner,
Neuer.
Manuel Neuer, Ta.
That is
Marco Reus.
and
Let's see, but
Serge Gnabry. Oh, God.
Gnabry in center forward. Okay. Okay. So moving on to the next one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. England.
I know.
England.
No. It is not England.
Wait. Acha,
I forgot the country.
Oh, Denmark.
Denmark.
Yes. I said Denmark.
Hey, we said it together. Ericsson.
I said first. Check the video. I said first. Come on.
We said it together. There
No,
is
to be fair, in the video, Somrat said first, but
Yes,
come
thank you.
It was Christensen. That was Ericsson.
okay, so we know.
As always. Thank you.
All right, moving on to the next one.
Okay, now which this? I think this will be. This is Netherlands. Yes.
Netherlands.
Virgil van Dijk. We
Virgil
have
van Dijk,
Matthijs
yeah.
de Ligt. Yeah, I said I get all the points this time. +5.
What? 5?
No.
1 point, we all get
And,
one.
and in the right back we have Serginho Dest.
Yeah, this.
Anyway, so for this one, correctly, everyone knew.
Yeah.
Oh, Steven Bergwijn. Oh, Tottenham Hotspurs. Oh, come on. Oh, what is this?
See,
Croatia.
Croatia, no.
Yes, I know this is Croatia, sure. I think the striker is
I'm
Mario
also going for
Mandzukic.
Croatia, yeah.
Yes, Croatia.
আমি তো বল Croatia.
Yeah, because the Barcelona one is, I think, no, the Real Madrid one is
Really?
Modric.
That
Real
is
Madrid
Modric.
one-
I got it, but who is the cam in
Liverpool.
Chelsea from? Who is the cam from Chelsea in?
I know the Liverpool centre back, that is Dejan Lovren from
That is-
Croatia.
Yeah, that is. But who is the cam from Chelsea? I don't get it.
Okay, let me think about that. Wait a second.
But in Croatia,
I can only
would
think
expect-
Kovacic. Kovacic is in midfield. That shouldn't be in up there.
Yeah, Croatia, come on.
It's Croatia, okay?
Yeah, see, it's Croatia.
Everyone gets 1 point.
I don't agree. Rakitic
Yeah, so
in left.
yeah, because Rakitic in
Wow.
Wales.
Oh my God. Yes, I will also say Wales. Now name your players. I will say Aaron Ramsey, Juventus.
Aaron Ramsey, Gareth Bale, Daniel James. That one is Tottenham Hotspur is. I forgot the name. But it
Ben
Danilo.
Wait a second. No.
Ben Davies.
Ben Davies, yes.
Wow, that was a good call. Ben Davies, very good.
Anyways, let's
Okay,
check it. Let's check it. So
Let's see.
Well,
everyone Wales.
Yeah,
everyone
you
Wales.
get-
Yeah, Wales.
Yeah, that
Nice.
is him.
Moving on.
Oh.
Spain.
Brazil.
আমি
Yes.
বলেছি, আমি স্পেন
Brazil.
বলে দিয়েছি, আমি স্পেন
আমি
বলে
ব্রাজিল বলেছি,
দিয়েছি।
আমি ব্রাজিল বলেছি।
I said
আমি
Spain.
ব্রাজিল।
Okay. I and
I
Rajdeep
said
Spain.
Brazil.
Rajdeep first, then
Brazil.
he will get 2
I
points.
said Brazil.
You are going for
Okay.
Brazil. Okay,
Yes.
let's change. It is not going to be Brazil, it is going to be Spain.
Oh. Okay.
All right. I don't know how many more is there, but let's go
Yeah.
ahead.
Oh.
I know.
Sweden.
Portugal.
Okay.
Oh, now wait a second.
I am going
না
with
এটা ওকে
Serbia.
দিয়ে দিতে হবে পয়েন্ট, ও বলে দিয়েছে। আমরা দুজনেই উল্টো দুটো নাম বলে দিলাম।
না, অ্যাকশন দাঁড়া, এখনো কনফার্ম হয়নি, দাঁড়া।
I am going with Serbia.
Yeah, I am going to go with
সার্বিয়া।
Sorry, Sweden.
No.
I said Sweden. That's why I
Now
was.
you fix.
It is Sweden.
Yeah.
It is Sweden. Okay, what is this?
France.
Yeah. France. You get 2 points. Okay.
Wait a second. I didn't say.
No, I confirm France.
Wait a second.
I can name the players. Giroud.
I can also. The defenders are Lenglet and Varane. Yeah, France.
Long late. That is Umtiti and Varane.
Oh yeah, Umtiti. Yeah. Sorry. And the left back is Dean, Luca Dean.
Okay. So let's see it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Pakar gets 2 points. We get 1
We
point.
get one each. Oh,
I think
what is this?
Somrat has an advantage here.
It's a Fortuna Dusseldorf defender. Oh my god. Can you name the teams at least?
AC Milan, Juventus, Besiktas, Lille, Feyenoord, আর জানি না এই বিটা কি
That is Istanbul Başakşehir.
I don't have any idea.
Turkish team.
No
So
idea.
maybe it may be like some all Europe team they are saying so.
So it's only Europe.
Turkey is a Europe team, right?
Yeah, Turkey is European, yes.
It may be Turkey
It could be Turkey, yes. Wait a second.
because I think AC Milan has a Turkish player.
Yes, it is Turkey.
That is Cengiz Under Turkey.
It is Turkey.
Yeah.
Yes. So Rajdeep got it first, so 2 points. And Somrat 1 point. I got 0 point. Let's see. Belgium.
বেলজিয়াম
Yes, Belgium,
আমার
Belgium,
নামটা
yeah.
বলতে আমি টটেনহাম ডিফেন্ডার গুলো দেখে আমি বলতে মানে মুখ থেকে বেরোচ্ছে না বেলজিয়াম
Belgium, absolutely Belgium.
But the thing to notice is Kevin De Bruyne is playing on right wing. That is a fantastic thing.
that is Hazard left wing. Okay, fine, let's see the other players. Let's move on.
Yeah, I knew most of them.
Yeah, we know all of them, but no, Vermaelen, I have no idea. He now plays for that team.
Vermaelen played for Juventus. Not Juventus. He played for Barcelona.
I actually have no idea who this is. This is the final one. I think I don't know, so I have no chance of going ahead. Only thing I have that you guys guess wrong. That's the only thing I have.
I don't know. Goalkeeper one.
Can I at least see the map?
What map?
No, I won't see any player. I just want to see the Google Maps.
No.
I know the country. I just because the RB Leipzig player is Yusuf Paulsen.
I will go the country.
Go ahead.
It's Czech Republic. Czech Republic.
Look, Rajdeep locked.
Lock. Czech Republic.
No, Yusuf Paulsen. What is Yusuf Paulsen
No,
nationality?
I don't know about Yusuf Paulsen. I am going with
I
Czech
will also go
Republic,
with Czech Republic only. Yeah.
but because of the club name, I will go with
Let's see. Drum roll. Okay, we do not have any drum. Anyway, it is Czech Republic.
Oh, good.
So Rajdeep 2 points, Somrat 1 point. So I think I am last then. So I think
Oh, God.
we can end this quiz with
So
that.
ultimately, you lost. Parker, the only one lost.
Yeah.
No, not lost. Come on, Ray. Okay, first, second, third, like that only.
Wow, this is the politician here. सबको साथ में लेना
No,
है.
no,
किसी को
no.
पीछे नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
हाँ.
Team
Anyways,
spirit.
let's wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed today's
Yeah.
quiz. Let us know how many did you guess, and please pardon how much the lineups were wrong. But thank you for the effort for
But we still worked our way around it. That was pretty
yeah.
good.
And I want to thank PM Studio 27. I will put the link in the description from whose YouTube video we did this. What to say? We did this challenge.
The presentation, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. And this one is Portugal. Bye.